Hello, Jessie here. I'm so glad you found my YouTube channel because that means you want to learn more about doTERRA essential oils. And guess what? I know a ton about doTERRA essential oils and I love educating people. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that we can go back and binge on all of my old YouTube videos that I've already created. And I'm constantly creating new ones so you can check back later to see the new stuff that I put out. But in this video, I want to teach you how to make immunity tea. Immunity tea is something our family has been using for years and years and years. There's no actual tea in it. So I just didn't know what else to call it. But this is a concoction, a warm beverage that we make. We use it a ton in the fall, but really, I mean, we always have it made up in our cupboard. So when we need it, we're feeling either a little bit under the weather already, or we just know what's going around. We'll do it preventatively. But then if we do find ourselves not feeling the best, then we will take it more frequently throughout the day. So this is immunity tea, and it tastes delicious too, because some of those natural things out there, they don't always taste the best, which there's times where, I don't care if it tastes bad. I'm going to take it if it, is beneficial to me. But I'm just here to tell you, immunity tea is delicious. It's also a really fun item to gift people. So if you have your doTERRA essential oils already, think about Christmas or baby showers or wedding gifts, however you want to gift gifts to people. It's a really fun item to make up, and then you can make it look all cute and pretty and put fancy lids on it, and it's a fantastic way to introduce people to essential oils. If you're not already working with someone yet and you need to purchase your doTERRA essential oils, my contact information is in the show notes, as well as a link to get the oils you need to make this immunity tea. You can always shoot me a message and we can talk deeper about what it would look like for you to get your own wholesale account. But know that that's the smartest way to order because it means you get 25% off. Plus, I can help hook you up with some other fun freebies. Just saying. But let's do immunity tea now. Are you ready? So the first step is you need to find local raw honey, because raw honey that's local to where you live, there's going to be even more benefits for you health-wise. So I've already pre-measured out my honey because it's a slow process and it can get sort of sticky and messy. My tip when you're measuring out your raw honey though is to use a scale rather than putting, because this is 8 ounces of raw honey, rather than filling it in a measuring cup. I have found it's easier to use a scale and then just do it to 8 ounces because 8 ounces is a cup. All right. So raw honey, and then you're going to add your essential oils. And there's a handful of essential oils you're going to put into it. And if you don't have all of the essential oils I mentioned, use what you have. And then as you grow your stash, you can just keep making it better and better. So once you have your raw honey, you're going to do 10 drops of On Guard. This is the one that I would say, make sure at least you're putting On Guard into your immunity tea, and all the rest is just extra benefit to your health and to the taste factor, okay? Then for the citrus oils, I want you to do 5 to 6-ish, and I say ish because sometimes more sneak out, 5 to 6 drops of each of the citrus oils. So right now I've got lemon, okay? Then I'm going to next do wild orange. All the citrus oils come out pretty fast. And next is grapefruit. And then I have lime. And maybe you have other citrus oils from doTERRA like tangerine or white grapefruit. Play around with it because you can add other oils too. My caution though, make sure it's only doTERRA and make sure the oil is labeled for internal use, okay? Then the last essential oil I want you to put in is ginger. Adds a little extra spice, plus there are just great benefits to having ginger to support your immune health. So I'm going to do 4 drops of ginger. Here we go. It's coming, ginger. It takes a little bit to get out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops, accidentally 5. It's okay. Then you're going to stir it up. And again, this is a little crazy for demonstration purposes, but stir it up really good. And we're just going to pretend that I've been stirring it for a while, okay? We're just going to let it stir, stir, stir. And if you wanted to make smaller gift size jars of this, just cut the recipe in half. Then when you're ready to make this immunity tea, you're going to get a boiling cup of hot water. You're going to take a scoopful, and I usually do, I start with, can you see, this is a tablespoon size spoon, and then I would stir that in. Stir it. You can always add more if you want it to be sweeter, but I just start with 1 tablespoon And when I say tablespoon, I mean like a spoon. I do about a spoonful like this, and I mix it into that hot water, stir it up, and you drink it down, and it tastes delicious. We've also had times when our throat has a tickle and it's sort of sore. We'll take a small mouthful of this and use it in place of something like a cough syrup. And so that honey is soothing and the essential oils help do their thing. And then we have also made it into an iced tea. I'll mix it up in hot water and then let it cool, pour it over ice, and that's really tasty too. So there is your demo for immunity tea. Let me know if you try it, or if you've already tried it. Do you have any other variations to this? Share this video with other people that need to know how to make this. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. And if you need an essential oil person, I would love to be that person for you. So let's connect. My contact information is in the show notes. And I also have in the show notes a free download where you can grab this recipe. So if you wanted to print it off to give to people, it's a pretty recipe that you could do. And I will see you on the next video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.